You know the number one thing I miss about being outside?
The sun, nature.
No. Those big inflatable guys you see outside of car dealerships.
What if we could make our own inflatable guys with cheap household materials?
This is the Tech Interactive at Home.
Let's make.
First, let's gather some supplies. We need some sort of plastic like a grocery, cereal, or dog poop bag. Grab some scissors, tape, and a marker. Plus, any random objects you can use for decoration. Things like yarn, pipe cleaners, and googly eyes are awesome. Lay 2 pieces of plastic on top of each other. Draw out your design. Then, cut it out. Next, you'll want to use tape to make it all one piece. Make sure to leave an opening at the bottom. Line that opening with a strip of poster board or any thick paper. This gives your inflatable guy some structural integrity. Now, think about how you can manipulate the plastic to make certain parts of the inflatable puff up. Do you think it'll move differently with holes in different places? Once you're finished making, you've got to share it with your friends.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! Wait, that's so cute!
It's Danny DeVito.
It's Danny DeVito!
Dance too.
You can inflate your guy with a fan or a hairdryer on the cool setting. Oh, you think we were just doing a silly craft? We just practiced 3D design, spatial reasoning, and aerodynamics.